As we all know, VS Code is one of the fantastic code editor available for pretty much any language that you need to work on. But time and time it can get annoying, especially with the feedback sound. I've been struggling a lot with this, especially when there is an error or when you're really trying to concentrate. There's a noise, like for example, every time you try to type something, if there is a warning, you will start getting this annoying feedback noise, and it was bothering me. So after doing some research, I figured out how to turn it off. There is no direct setting for this to turn off, but there is a JSON file which could you can go and change the parameters to turn it off. For what you need to do is, if you're on the VS Code, go to settings. Down here there is two settings. One, this one, which is more from the themes and everything. I would like you to go to this setting here, the gear at the bottom left corner. In that, go to settings and search for audio clue volume. And when you do that, you'll see a accessibility option uh, called signal option. It is basically a configuration file which controls the behavior of the signals when there is a any issue or if there is any warning. What you can do is go click on edit the JSON file. When you are here in the setting file, you have two options. One, here you say that what type of it has volumes, false, true in different conditions, warnings, everything. For me, I really don't want any feedback. So what I have done is, you can just go here and say, instead of on, just turn it off. That's one way. Or you can reduce the light volume to pretty much negligible if you really need it in certain conditions. For me, I didn't want the sound at all, so I'm gonna go there and put it as off, save it, come back to close the settings, come back to my editor. Now, based on if I do anything, it's not going to give me any feedback sound. Still show you the warning lines. It will still show you the places where you have an error or a warning, but would not give you the annoying sound. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.